Welcome to Kevin's English Room Podcast.
Hello.
Hey guys. A little cold in here, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
I put a
Do you turn it up?
a little bit, but still cold.
Yeah, it's cold in here.
Yeah. And I feel some cold window is coming from.
Wind?
Wind is coming from the window.
Oh, is it
Yeah,
open?
like no.
It's not open, right? Don't you think that ACs don't do a better job of following up the degree on the remote control versus what the air is actually releasing? You tell them to go for 22 degrees and it stays at 17 forever.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sometimes it doesn't listen to you. But the next thing you know, you turn it to 23 and it just blows out fucking
30.
hot weather and then the room turns 30.
Yeah.
I mean, I get tired of the control, the temperature control on the AC these days. I do.
I agree. Temperature control is very difficult.
Yeah.
You never get to that right degree.
Right. You're never you're never at a perfect temperature in your room.
It's always like
That's right,
this.
it's too hot or a little bit cold.
Yeah. Right.
I mean, we've done this for years now. I don't know how we've never managed to get over this.
What about the central heating in the United States? Is that better?
Oh, that's awesome, man.
Yeah.
That's so much better.
Right. That's in Hokkaido.
Yeah.
They have central heating still.
Oh.
Yeah, and that's way better. It's not like up and down or temperature thing. It's just great.
Yeah, it's just
warm.
always great
Yeah.
in every single room.
Yeah.
Wait, every single room for you?
Yeah.
Why don't all Tokyo buildings, all Japanese buildings
Right.
have central heating? Is it too much electricity?
That's true.
Electricity is cheaper in United States than in
States?
Japan. It is. But I feel like a lot of people I think are willing to pay that extra yen for
Yeah.
that comfort at your house.
Right. What about summer in Georgia? They don't. It's off. Central heating is off, or
I think cooling system
is
kicks in.
I see.
And it was always comfortable. So I think it was some sort of a cooling system
Okay,
I think
okay.
went into play there. Yeah.
Yeah, if we have that in Tokyo, that's good.
Maybe you can't do it with the mansion.
Could be true, because I know some ikenyas having not complete central heating, but partially those systems. So it's right. Mansion.
Is it possible?
What about in the buildings in the United States? Do they have these
I don't.
apartments?
Yeah, I don't think so. Wait, no, because remember when we went to LA, we Idori-san, they showed us a lot of rooms. That was central heating, and that was an apartment.
Right.
So, but it was only 2 or 3 story building, right? Not like the one you find in Tokyo where it's 10, 12, or 30, right? I don't know. Maybe it's a different, conversation.
Yeah, maybe too many floors.
Too many floors, you can't do it. Or it doesn't have enough
space.
Nani, ducto? It doesn't have enough spaces in between floors, maybe
Maybe
for it to install that.
True, because I know the people living in upstairs is I guess living in just
It's right there.
just there.
You can feel
Yeah.
the feet walking.
Right.
Yeah.
And dog barking.
you got dogs barking?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
bad. Is that apartment is that allowed? Are they allowed to have dogs in there?
I mean here.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
I don't think. Oh, that's right. We hear it sometimes.
Yeah.
That's right.
So that's that guy.
Yeah,
That guy. Yes.
right.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, so I understand there's no room for ducto or anything.
Right.
Yeah, you have to build
It's like
differently.
like a completely redesigned building just for the
Yeah.
system to be installed on there.
Maybe the owner will lose
The
room
tenants,
numbers and
right? And then it's just
the
less
rent will be
quality.
Yeah. True.
But still, I feel like if you up the rent
Yeah.
for that loss, some people would still pay
Yeah.
for that comfort.
Central
you
heating,
know?
yes.
Yeah.
It's very attractive.
It is.
True. True.
Man.
I wonder Hokkaido, like mansions in Hokkaido, how it's working.
Oh, like the mansions in okay.
Hokkaido,
Like the
yeah.
apartments in Hokkaido.
Yeah, apartments in Hokkaido, yes.
That's true. Like Sapporo, right? A lot of
Yeah.
tall 14, 15 story
right.
buildings, right? Apartments, right?
Yeah.
AC? Probably AC though, right?
Yeah. True.
Must be tough,
Yeah.
you know?
It's very cool. So.
Maybe the walls are built different, like more like danetsu
True.
walls, I guess.
Mm,
That makes it easier for like the normal ACs to work.
true.
Yeah.
Keep it inside and.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah. This guy isn't. Like,
Yeah.
I know he's trying hard. But far from what we're expecting.
He's not doing a good enough job.
Yeah.
You know? He's not doing a good enough job.
Maybe I have to consider the salary down.
Yeah. I mean, it's tough. Tough conversation here. But, you know, you're not meeting the expectation that we need you to. I mean, we love you.
Yeah.
I mean,
We do.
I
We
really
do.
appreciate the hard work that you do.
Right, for years.
But it's just, there's a certain standard that you have to meet.
Yeah.
And it's not happening. And that's an issue, you know. That's we do have to take action towards that, you know.
This world is changing.
Yeah,
So.
right. We don't have other options here, you know. It either could be a salary change, you know, or, you know, worst case, reinstallment, man. Reinstallment.
Right.
Yeah. Hope you understood that, man.
Yeah.
Let's give it a week, you know. Let's give it a week, see how you do, you know. See if that kind of changed your mindset in any way.
Right.
Like, no pressure, though, but, like, yeah, let's give it a week, you know. Let's see how you do. Let's see how you do.
He's saying nothing.
Yeah, he's not replying. He's just doing the same thing, you know.
Is he nodding a little bit?
I don't know. I don't think he's nodding. I think he's just standing still.
Is it still?
Yeah, his
like
flaps are
wind-
just
Wind control.
his
is
wind
like,
control. No, I know it's
No?
the wind control. The flaps are just the wings are just
Still the same?
still.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just saying nothing.
I don't think he's saying anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Underst-
I don't know. Yeah.
Is he understood everything?
I hope so. Yeah. We did mention, you know, lowering his salary,
Right.
so I'm sure that must have been an eye opener for him. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just 1 week, man. 1 week.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, man. All right, you can go back. You can go back to you can go back to your shift, man. All right. Yeah. I think we're the only ones in Tokyo that I've ever had a conversation with AC.
With the AC.
Yeah.
That's true.
Like I literally think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for listening, guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.